potty time, let's go right now. Don't be shy, I'll show you how. When your tummy says it's time, off we go, it's potty time. Walk to the bathroom step by step. No need to rush, no need to fret. Pull pants down and sit just right. You're learning well, you're doing it right. Sit so comfy, nice and still. Take your time, no need to hurry or thrill. Read a book or sing a song. Potty time won't take too long. When you're done, wipe nice and clean, front to back, keep it clean. Good habits help you every day. Hip hip hooray, you did it, yay! Flush the toilet, whoosh it goes. Watch the water as it flows. Wave goodbye and smile so wide. You did great, feel proud inside. Wash your hands with soap and care. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Scrub them well and rinse away. Clean hands keep germs away. Morning time or night so late, listen to your body, it's great. When it says go, don't delay. Head to the potty right away. Accidents happen, that's okay. You're still learning every day. Try again and you will see. You'll get better, just like me. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Potty training is so neat. Big kid now, you're growing strong. Sing along this potty song. It's potty time, you did your best. Now it's time to take a rest. Smile bright and shout hooray! You're a star in every way.